Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to Mr. Al and good evening to everyone who watched this video. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Bagus Permadi, a student of ESA134 University majoring in Industrial Engineering. Today, I will present a paragraph, or you can say a mini essay, as one of the graduation requirement for business English course. The topic that I will bring is the handling of medical mask at home or mask waste, something like this. Mask. If you remember, at the last 14 meeting, I was able to discuss how to choose soccer shoes according to the characteristic of the user fit. But I think the topic is not too broad to the accepted by the general public, because maybe only a few of you need that information. So I change the topic. So on this occasion, I will discuss the handling of medical masks at home, mask waste. As we know, that medical masks are one of the most important items in a pandemic like this. Although it is not so difficult for us to get or buy them. Different with the first of pandemic, maybe at the beginning of the pandemic we had to get it at an expensive price. And the problem we are facing today is the waste of this mask, considering that they are only used once. What I want to say, or what I want to share, is how to process the mask before we actually throw them away. The goal is that the masks are not recycled or reprocessed by irresponsibility people. So, here's how the way to do that. First, collect used masks or the appropriate title, namely medical mask as we use this now. For example, wearing a mask for a week and then collecting it. Next is to carry out the disinfection process, which aims to sterilize the condition of the mask so that it is not dangerous again, like contain virus. The trick is to soak the mask in a chlorine or bleach solution at your home, such as by clean or something like that, as you will. And you want for a few minutes to soak that. And then change the shape of the mask by cutting the tearing the mask. You must cutting. You can use your bare hands like this, or you can use tools such as scissor to solve this, or another tools like cutters. Next, or the fourth, is to dispose of the collection mask in the domestic trash, put together in a plastic bag. Finally, wash your hand with soap and running water to keep your hands clean. Or if nothing water at your home, maybe your electricity is turned off, you can use hand sanitizer. Okay, those are tips or how to treat medical mask waste at home before throwing it in the trash. The conclusion is we can contribute to minimizing the incidence of recycling medical masks so as not to harm others. Maybe it is simple to do, but the benefits are great, or much benefit for us. So maybe that's all I can say on this occasion today. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and thanks for trying to understand what I have to say. Sorry for all the shortcomings, stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.